Adam here from Lifestyle Mobility, and again, we're at our flagship store to give you another review. Up today, we have some power chairs. If you're after a power chair that is foldable, super user-friendly, and extremely lightweight, in fact, we have one of the lightest carbon fiber power chairs in the world right here, then this is definitely a review for you. We have the Q50R and the Q50R carbon, so come in closer and let's take a look. Q50R from Quickie is a great power chair. The reason why it's called a Q50 is it has up to a 50-kilometer range. That is 30 miles. It's fully foldable and usable. It's very sturdy when it's foldable too. As you can tell, it doesn't go anywhere. If you're needing something compact that can fit into your home, or of course, if you need to take something away, you can do it. Just bear in mind, it is still quite heavy, so you will need a two-person lift. However, it's super simple and user-friendly. As you can tell, a very simple dash here. The wheels have got their massive wheels, so great tread. You're going to tackle that hard terrain, and it's rugged, so it's going to use just like a normal power scooter, except it is more versatile. But this is where it gets great. It's the carbon edition. Before we get into the specs, I first have to show you this. That is how easy this thing is to get in position, to unfold, and you just push this down and you're ready to go. This is made from beautiful carbon fiber. It's designed just like a Formula One car in the sense that it's a full carbon fiber chassis in every way. The wheels are a little bit smaller, as you can tell, but the tread's there, and this can still tackle 4-centimeter curbs. That's only 1 centimeter less than the Q50R. So overall, a very impressive machine, and at just 14 kgs, this thing is just unbelievable. Bonus features are this integrated breathable mesh backing. You can see if you look down the side there, they've actually built it into the carbon fiber, so there's no pins or there's no staples. It's going to hold just perfectly. It's fully stitched on. This here is an adjustable armrest. Just push the button, and this is for easy accessibility in and out. The joystick here is super compact, but it still has all the essential features that's needed. Also, we have multiple colored choices for these clip-on hubcaps for the wheels. Beautiful. And finally, a seatbelt for those safety features. Now let's see how this thing folds up and down. Finally, look how easy this folds and unfolds. It's been so well engineered. We just simply pull the clip here, push forward, all the way down, and then just lift up, and it's perfectly stable. You've seen me undo it before. This is how you unfold it. How great is that? And there you have it. That's Quickie's Q50R and Q50R Carbon. This being one of the lightest power chairs out there at just 14 kgs. You can see how simple and easy that is to use. If you're someone who wants to travel and go abroad, or of course you have a compact space, or you need to travel and take this in your boot, this scooter is definitely the one for you. The Q50R is also a great adjustable, foldable power chair. So please, you can purchase one of these in our stores and find us at lifestylemobility.co.uk. Of course, call us here on the banner below, and our friendly staff will be happy to help. You can check out our other videos with more details on how these power chairs perform. And of course, share, like, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you soon.